guys when I tell you there's something wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. In the morning while I was at work today, I told myself maybe I'll go to the beach for a swim, okay? So I came home after work and I got into my swimsuit straight away because I was like, otherwise I'm not going to go. Then it's so cold, it's like 10 degrees today currently right now. So I got under the sheets and I was falling asleep because it was cold and it was nice and cozy under my blanket. So I can't do this, so I set an alarm for 10 minutes. I had a power nap and the alarm went and I'm like, I can't go. And then I got up and now I'm going. Guys, it's so cold. I don't know what I'm doing to myself. I am so sleepy also. I look like this. I'm that person when I tell myself I'm gonna do something until I do it. There's no going back once I think of it, guys. I want to make myself a hot coffee and we're gonna go for a cold ocean dip. I'm going in. It is freezing, but it's very nice. It's not nice at all, guys. It's so beautiful. That's done. 2, 1, go. It's so cold. So nice though. It's so nice. So nice. I'm so happy. Guys, guess what I brought? Cheers! It's actually getting dark, so I'm gonna go for my last dip. There's no one at the beach anymore. We love that. So I'm gonna put my flashlight and get in. Damn, it's very cool. I just dried myself and I'm like, one more time, one more look and I go. Oh my gosh. I did it. Why am I scared that like a shark will come through? I stepped on something. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. It's nice, huh? Oh my gosh, there's seaweed here. It's beautiful. Oh my god, more seaweed. So cool. We did that. United. Here I'm back. I just got off the tram and I'm walking home. I'm so hungry, but I need to have a wash first. So let's go have a wash and then I'll catch you when I'm eating. I had a shower. This is my outfit. I just heated up my pasta. I'll just put my towel back on because my hair is wet. And I'm gonna add my Momofuku black truffle chili crunch. Eat. It's Friday, guys. I'm so happy the day is finally here. Good morning, guys. Look at my hair. I washed it yesterday. It's so goody. I have to blow dry it today. Before I start blow drying my hair, I'm going to make myself a hot Milo because I've been wanting that for a while. So I'm gonna go make that. Okay guys, I'm going to now blow dry my hair. So a rundown of the day. I don't really have anything planned for the morning, but I am going to meet my work colleagues in the night. If you don't know, I work as a pastry chef. So I'm going to be hanging out with my pastry team tonight. It'll be really fun because usually we only hang out at work and we don't really go out as a team. Some of us meet individually, like with some of our teammates, but not all together. So tonight we thought we'd go and hang out. So that'll be exciting. I'll take you all along when I go for dinner as well. I don't know how comfortable they'll be on camera, so I don't know if I'll record them, but let's see what I can get. Most of you don't know, but my hair is actually very curly. I haven't put any curling products in it. That's why it looks like this. And I had a bath yesterday, so it's so puffy because I haven't put any of my gels or mousses or anything. But people with curly hair know it's very hard to maintain. So I usually blow dry it. So I'm gonna go do that because I don't want to look like I'm acting in Singapore or something tonight. So I'm gonna go blow dry it and I will be back. Fit check. I'm all ready to go grocery shopping. I don't really know what I want yet, but let's go see what they have and then we'll decide. I don't even know what I'm going to eat yet, for that matter, but let's go and decide that. All done shopping. Guys, I got something. I got a watermelon. I'm so excited. I love watermelon. In Sri Lanka, I used to eat it only because it was pink, because I don't know about you all, but when my parents bought me watermelon, it was barely ever sweet. It was like barely even pink, to be honest. But I used to watch Winnie the Pooh, and every time Winnie the Pooh ate watermelon, his like whole like the lips and like his whole face would get pink, and I'm like, I love watermelon, even though it wasn't that tasty back at home. Like you'd get once in a while a tasty one, but here these are so good. So yeah, I got a watermelon and now I am very, very happy. Watermelon. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Someone tell me why the only decent tasting sausage in Australia is chorizo, and it's like $27 a kilo, and everything else is like $8 a kilo. Make it make sense, guys. Anyway, I bought it because I'd rather buy something I can actually eat, you know. I cut it in two and I'm gonna let that cook. Breakfast is ready. I also cut my watermelon. So I'm gonna sit down, eat that, and then eat this. And that'll be my breakfast. Look at that color, guys. I'm excited. Let's give it a try. It's nice because the strawberry milk is not that sweet like compared to buying it from a cafe. The color says all you need to know. I'm gonna try the strawberry milk on its own to see what it tastes like. Oh, that is sweet by itself. Oh my gosh, I haven't drunk strawberry milk in so long. It reminds me of home. I am going out for dinner. I thought I was getting late, so I ran. Now I'm early. Okay, this is going on my YouTube. You never do. I just finished dinner and I am heading home. It was so wholesome. I love my team. Yes, just saying, I feel so energized and my heart is so full. Like, I'm so happy I went. I couldn't even show you guys my outfit, but this is it. Just simple jeans, a yellow top, leather jacket. I bought 2 perfumes and now I'm on my way home. Let's go have a wash. I just had a wash and I made myself a tea, a ginger and lemon tea. So I'm gonna have that. I've been going through a few things the last couple of weeks and I'm a person who likes to be in control of what I do. And so I just make sure everything goes perfectly and like I'm that kind of person. Yeah, I rather do things myself because I know I'll do it on time, I'll do it the way I want it to be done and all of that. And sometimes I rely on myself to make things work in my life as well, which obviously it's not how life goes. Like, I can't control everything and that's just the way it is. And there's this verse in the Bible that I've been reminding myself of. So I could hand over my life to Jesus and just let him do what's best, because I know that more than anyone in this world, God knows what's best for me. And this Bible verse says that, and it's in Proverbs chapter 3. It's verse 5 and 6. I'll just read it to you if that's okay. It says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Never rely on what you think you know. Remember the Lord in everything you do, and he will show you the right way." And that is like such a sense of relief in a way, because it's this constant battle of like trying to do things the way you think it should be, but it may not be the best for you. And this is just a reminder. And I like sharing these with you all, and I really hope it helps someone. Good morning, guys. It is currently Sunday, the 29th of June, and I am almost ready for church. I need to do my makeup, but I wore my outfit. I wore full white, this top. It has a bow at the back and my white linen pants. It is freezing outside, so I will have to wear my trench coat, but I can't not wear this outfit, you know, because winter's just gonna get colder, and if I don't wear it, I'll have to wait till summer. So that is not happening. I think before I go, I'm gonna eat a slice of toast and drink a matcha, because if not, the same old thing, my stomach is gonna be like in the middle of service. So let's eat, wear my makeup, and let's go. My toast is toasting. I'm gonna make a tiny strawberry matcha today. This is so good, I'm so excited. Yummy in my tummy. I made the same thing I made yesterday, cheese and sun-dried tomato. We just finished church and now we need to find a place to eat.
As always.
Yeah.
That is our usual Sundays.
Yeah, that's how our Sunday rolls. Get ready, go to church and then look for a place to eat. It's the same struggle every Sunday.
Pretty much. Yeah. But these are the struggles we love to have.
Yeah. Even to get to church, God really tested our patience.
What's the hers?
Yeah. I was almost on the verge of going back home, but we made it.
Amen.
Auntie there. But it's not there. So pretty.
Stop.
Pink is so nice up here. Give them a twirl. So
A
cute.
moment for the back of her top. Ooh,
Thanks, guys. That auntie's husband picked her up.
That's nice.
We don't have a husband. We are currently sitting outside in the open, waiting to go in.
We didn't end up going to the place we decided to go.
Yeah. Oh, it is raining. It is raining. Yeah, we were passing this place and the line. I mean, it was crowded, so we were like, must be good. We checked the reviews as well. So now we're here. Yeah.
For the ring.
For the ring ke upar mein. Oh shit. Oh no. So yeah, now we're sitting here getting wet. That's eating in the other place. Ayo. And the best part of it all is we're not hungry or thirsty for that matter. But you know, if we don't eat, we might get hungry. Are lasana
We like being proactive.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
we're eating before we get
Yeah,
hungry.
exactly. We found a solution before there was a problem.
That's how God wanted it to be.
So nice. Guys, we are going to try the Bean Boozled game. It's been around for a really long time. Timna
I
hasn't
didn't
tried
know.
it. Yeah. I tried it when I was like a kid. Obviously, it wasn't in Sri Lanka. You had to get it from abroad.
Yeah.
So now that we live abroad, it is available to us.
Very stressed, guys.
Do you want to explain the game to them until I open this stupid thing?
Okay, so there are jelly beans, beans, and they're different colors, but like there are two different flavors for every color. One like a nice flavor and something that's you know. Oh,
If I could open this, it would be great. Really.
she's getting there. So there's like a wheel that you spin, and then when it lands on that color, we are going to pick one of each, and then see which one of us got the good one, or the bad one.
They look identical, so we could not tell. Like, even if
Yeah.
we really wanted a good one, we couldn't tell because the bad and good flavor both look exactly the same.
Smells like rotten vegetables.
Exactly. I think we should open our drink.
Yeah.
Anyway, to be prepared, we have water and a passion fruit drink.
And a paper bag.
Yeah.
Paper bag, look.
Rubber bag. Silly bag.
Reusable bag
Yeah.
and some tissue paper. Yeah.
The like thing where you turn and then it'll tell you like what flavor. So let's try. I'm scared. You go first.
Oh my god.
Either way, I have to eat it with you as well.
Okay.
Oh, no.
What is this?
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Licorice or burnt rubber?
We'll have a hard one to start with, so we take a black one.
Oh, it's gonna be
Jesus,
correct.
licorice is also going to be bad in general.
Why is there so many blacks though? Are you mother?
Yeah, you might.
If we both get, they both.
I don't like licorice. It's black, guys.
And I'm so scared. Are you gonna pop the whole thing?
Yeah, can't bite it. You can't bite it, you can't smell, you have to eat it.
Okay.
No licorice. I don't know what I got actually. I don't think it's licorice. I think it's burnt rubber. I know what licorice tastes like.
It's burnt rubber.
It tastes like plastic. It tastes like plastic is getting burnt. The smell.
Why does this taste like some burnt pasta or something? Yeah.
That's not bad, Tim. I think we were good with that one. It only gets worse.
You
from
thought
here.
it was licorice?
Because it wasn't that bad, like it wasn't vomitish like level, you know?
Yeah, true.
Oh, that's fine. It's tutti frutti or stinky socks.
I'm so scared.
Which one is it? A light pink one. These ones. Stinky socks. Yes, I'm
That's
so
so good.
scared. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's good.
Does it taste like
Bubble gum.
yeah. But like X.
It's liver and onions or cappuccino. Oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna like anything in jelly bean form like that, huh? Liver and onion? Good go, I think.
I don't know, I'm scared. Coffee.
Liver. That is not coffee. Yeah. Is that nice?
Yeah. It's like dirt out of it.
I think there's something wrong with the taste buds, huh? Peach or bath? Peach or vomit, guys.
What's this?
Yeah. Oh no. Why are you giving me? Oh, stress. Why does mine have more red?
Maybe I want to cleanse my palate.
No, my Is it that bad?
It's foul. It's like lingering.
Juicy pear or booger? Yeah!
It's like a green chili, but like going bad.
So true. Pomegranate or old bandage?
Please answer.
Yeah. I'm excited
How
for that
does
one.
anyone know what an old bandage tastes
Yeah,
like?
that's what they're saying, maybe blood. Okay, swallow, huh? We've gone through most of the bad ones. I think we'll be fine. Okay, go.
Throw it out. Yeah, I'm so confused about tasting.
Toasted marshmallow or stink bug? Why is it so bad? Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish? Which one is that? Yeah, what is that?
Wet dog?
Yeah, and top banana, right?
Yeah. That one tasted like beans. Like raw beans.
This is either blueberry or toothpaste. Either way.
Ah, okay.
Cheers. Toothpaste. This I call it. You can't tell what yours is. I think you have a problem.
Blueberry. Mike can smell the toothpaste.
Yeah. How about you eat a mix of three?
No, thank you. I'll actually throw.
A mix of three you swallow all.
She hates me.
You knew only now? Are you? Yeah.
They're so bad, Prashanti.
She doesn't like me, she just called me Prashanti. That's not my name, guys. Nice colors. Pink, blue, and green. But if you get all the fruity flavors together, it will be a nice harmonious fruit salad. I'll do the same. What are the worst?
Like, you know what it's like when you're drinking like antibiotics
Yeah.
and then it gets stuck in your throat and then it starts melting? That's what all of this tastes and smells like.
And I was so scared. Like, you have to swallow. I'm telling you, as if I've been swallowing all this time. Cheers.
I'm so scared. Never been scared of anything this much.
And I'm actually scared because you can't swallow easily also.
You only suggested it.
Smells so bad.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
How about we close our nose and eat, yeah? You go first.
Okay.
Oh, I feel sick already.
Mama, you could be with your
Okay, good. Why can't you? I got green chili. Yeah. Oh my god, there's tears coming down my face.
I couldn't even bite the other
I
two.
tried hard. Hi guys.
You time at home?
Yeah.
Hey, first time Canada, yes.
I think I'll woolies jana wala hai. Do you get?
They have introduced Dubai chocolate slice.
Yeah, it's basically like a chocolate cake with the pistachio and kunafa thing and chocolate on top. So we're gonna try it out. It's
good.
yeah, but so the person here says
Yeah,
everything is good, so can't be trusted really.
Yeah, I think I'll try that.
No. I think Api, yeah, Thursday had the pasta khanwa.
Because we are economical like that.
Yeah, although we're economical in some ways, we spent it in other ways. So yeah, we'll keep it updated, guys. Bye! Dudes are so cute. Someone tell us why this is brown though. Oh, it looks very brown there. Why does
I think it's the lighting.
Yes.
Not bad.
The more you eat it, it's a nice little treat. I can taste the pistachio though.
Going to eat, guys.
Going to eat, huh? That's it for today, guys.
Your face like
It's very, very